Have you ever been 23 hours into a 24-hour 3D print and your lights blink off long enough to turn off your 3D printer? I have, and that's why I bought this. This DJI Power 1000 has a key feature: keep your printer on during power outages. I bought this power station at the launch price of $699 before it goes to the retail price of $999 at the time of this recording. Before I say the specifications, you may be wondering, why not just use the 3D printer's power loss recovery setting? Half the time, that setting does not work right. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I bought this power station with my own money. So now that's out of the way, let's begin. The DJI Power 1000 is a beast with a huge 124 watt-hour capacity. That's 1 kilowatt of power stored and a massive 2,200 watt max output. It also has 1,200 watt fast charging with a standard power outlet, which only takes 70 minutes to charge fully. It's also possible to charge at 600 watts for improved long-term battery life and capacity. This power station uses lithium iron phosphate batteries that can last around 10 years with frequent use and 4,000 battery cycles before 70% battery capacity. Weighing only 28.5 pounds, it is still light enough to be moved around easily. Its fans are really quiet at 23 decibels. You can barely hear them. This power station also has a super bright display. You can recharge this power station with the AC outlet charger that comes with it, or with a car power outlet accessory that comes in two parts: one XT60 connector to SDC and one car power outlet to XT60 power cable. You can also use the XT60 power cable to connect one solar panel to the power station. Just make sure your solar panel's open circuit voltage is less than 30 volts. The power output of each solar panel connected to a single XT60 interface should not exceed 200 watts. Or you can use 3 solar panels with the solar panel adapter module. The car power outlet and solar panel adapter are sold separately. The key feature I was talking about earlier is the UPS feature. This power station can work as an uninterruptible power supply. This means if you have devices connected to it and the power station is plugged into the grid, when the power goes out, the power station will power the devices within 20 milliseconds to keep them on. To use the UPS mode, all you have to do is plug the power station into a standard power outlet. Plug the devices you want to keep powered on into the power station. This power station can easily work as a UPS to power your 3D printer or other devices, unless your devices use more than 1,200 watts. The DJI Power 1000 is an excellent value for money compared to other power stations on the market today. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing for more 3D printing and tech-related reviews, and thanks for watching.